What a nice little place this place of Bermuda can be at Elbow Beach. Hey guys, Bracelet Brother here, Neon Yellow, and I don't have my bracelet, wristband, Neon Yellow thing today because I am going swimming because it's May 24th and I don't want to get it wet because it will probably screw it up. And I'm just climbing this rock here. And yeah, I'm just vlogging because I need a vlog for today. And I probably won't get it posted today because May 24th, gonna be swimming all day. Probably gonna spend the night on the boat. And yeah, now I'm at the top. So you might not be able to hear me. So yeah, look. It's a nice view up here because I live in Bermuda. I'm in the bushes. Bushes I am in. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, none of that. Yeah. Today, South Shore, and it's pretty. Ow, ow. Picking up. Ow, ow, ow. More rocks. Ow. I think the things right there are reefs that there's a special name for them, like hot rock. Yeah, those things. And so right now, in Bermuda, some guys boogie boarding that I know. The magnificent water of rock. I think that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks, bye. Snorkel!